Most people hear the words Brazilian wax and instantly think, yikes. But what if it didn't have to be that way? What if a Brazilian wax felt more like a mini spa vacation than a scary appointment? Today, we're stepping inside a 5-star spa where even waxing feels like a pampering, pain-free luxury. Curious? Let's go. The difference shows up right at the door. At a luxury spa, you're not just a customer, you're a guest. The lighting is soft, the air smells like lavender, and calming music replaces salon noise. Some spas even greet you with warm tea or fruit-infused water. Already, your nerves start melting away. This isn't just hair removal, it feels like a treat. Here's the spa's little secret: premium wax. Unlike the basic strips used in budget salons, top spas use skin-loving formulas. Some waxes even include aloe, honey, or chamomile for comfort. Before the first strip, your skin gets a gentle layer of oil or powder. It's like wrapping your skin in a cozy blanket before the big moment. Now, let's talk about the big question: the pain. In a 5-star spa, waxing isn't rushed. Every move is slow, steady, and mindful. Many use stripless wax that cools and hardens on its own. That means smoother removal and less sting. Add expert hands, cooling gels, and calming scents, suddenly, what used to be, ouch, turns into, oh, that wasn't so bad, and the care doesn't stop there. Once the waxing is done, your skin gets spoiled with hydrating oils. Some spas even use cooling masks or refreshing mist sprays. It feels like your skin is being given a love letter. The message is simple: thank you for being amazing. You walk out not just smooth, but glowing, refreshed, and a little bit fancy. So why do people choose a 5-star spa for something as simple as a wax? Easy. It's about more than hair removal. It's about comfort, confidence, and a little luxury. Yes, it costs more. But the experience is worth it. Think of it as self-care with sparkle. Okay, now I'm curious. Would you try a Brazilian wax at a 5-star spa? Or do you prefer the quick and done version? Drop your answer in the comments, I'd love to know. If you enjoyed this little spa adventure, hit that like button. Subscribe for more self-care stories. And share this video with someone who deserves a pamper day. Until next time, stay smooth, stay confident, and treat yourself kindly.